Amphibious and complicated stunt action, front and back flips, 360-degree spins on the water and ground. Smooth driving on both land and water. Adjustable speed and rechargeable battery, remote control with sensitive control. The USB line and battery that comes with the car offers more convenience to charge anytime. 4WD, 4x4 full wheels driving, strong and powerful, can offer 10 km/h maximum speed, can over the land, sandy beach, wetlands, grasslands and water easily. 2.4 GHz remote technology adopts 2.4 GHz anti-interference control frequency.